back, 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 sit.
Oh no. Oh no.
I dare you to try to come up from coach and use the first class bathroom when
So I'm sit. Oh my God.
You can do this. Come on, Nancy. It's okay. Oh, what?
Sit. Oh.
Everybody scream! Kaya, it's okay.
What's going on? Were you playing with something you shouldn't?
Who is that?
I said get out. Frank, no. No. Frank, I said no. Get.
What's wrong? That's it.
Because only game that easy to slick.
Come on.
Go get her.
otherwise he tries to
Go
get
get
out
him.
on the sides.
Go get him. Oh.
Ready? Ready? Okay.
Before you go to the full cardiac arrest.
All right. What is
What's going on? Do you know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
Yeah.
What's Daddy got? Aw, look at her. Look at her. Oh my God. She's doing a dance. She's doing a dance.
¿Te estás llevando el zapato de mi mamá?
Class?
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy.
Buddy, I gotta type. I have to type. Thank you, though. Why are you not letting me type, huh?
Can we do your nails? Ellie, we need to do them.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
Talk to me about? Do you have a lot to talk to me about? Yeah? Yeah. Well, yes, I get it.
It's the pug's bed, not yours. You can't even fit on it. Yeah, I know your head fits on it, but not much else.
Babies? What are y'all doing? Oh, one at a time. One at a time. Oh. Is that everybody?
You know, I haven't had a real home-cooked meal since... Right. Let's dig it.
Look at it.
Honey, no. No. No.
Freaking mouse in your mouth. No. You drop that now. Pickles, drop it.
She loves them.
Oh boy, Maggie. You are in so... Look at me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. You are in so much trouble.